My fitness routine. Keeping fit is important to me. I like to feel strong and healthy. I have a fitness routine that I follow. It helps me stay in good shape. I wake up early every morning. I start with some stretching exercises. They help me feel awake and flexible. Then I go for a run in the park. Running is my favorite exercise. I enjoy the fresh air and nature. I run for about 30 minutes. It's a great way to clear my mind. After running, I do some weight training. I have some dumbbells at home. I do different exercises for my arms and legs. It helps me build muscle and strength. I also like to do yoga. It's good for my body and mind. I practice yoga for 20 minutes. It helps me feel calm and focused. On weekends, I go swimming or cycling. They are fun and good for my heart. I sometimes join friends for team sports. We play soccer or basketball together. I try to eat healthy food too. I have fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. I drink a lot of water. It helps me stay hydrated and energized. I believe in rest and recovery. I take a day off from exercise. I relax, sleep well, and let my body heal. It's important to find balance and listen to your body. My fitness routine is simple but effective. It makes me feel good and look good. It's a part of my life that I enjoy. I encourage everyone to find a routine they love.